Ever wondered how scientists count trillions of invisible atoms without ever seeing them? Welcome to the world of moles to number of particles conversion, where one simple number connects chemistry's tiniest secrets to the macroscopic world. A mole is a unit of particles. 1 mole of a substance contains 6 times 10 to the power 23 particles. The relationship between the mole of a substance and the number of particles in a substance is shown by the formula. Mole is equal to the number of particles over 6 times 10 to the power 23. Using this formula, we can find the number of particles in a substance when given its mole. And we can find the mole of a substance when given the number of particles in a substance. Let's consider some examples. How many molecules are in 2 moles of hydrogen gas? Mole is equal to the number of particles over 6 times 10 to the power 23. This question is asking about the number of particles. Therefore, the formula is the number of particles is equal to mole times 6 times 10 to the power 23. The moles of hydrogen given is 2 times 6 times 10 to the power 23. 2 times 6 times 10 to the power 23 gives 1.2 times 10 to the power 24 particles. Therefore, 2 moles of hydrogen gas contain 1.2 times 10 to the power 24 molecules. Another example, how many atoms are present in 34.7 moles of magnesium? The number of atoms is equal to moles of magnesium times 6 times 10 to the power 23. The number of moles of magnesium given is 34.7 moles times 6 times 10 to the power 23. 34.7 times 6 times 10 to the power 23 gives 2.08 times 10 to the power 25 atoms. So 34.7 moles of magnesium contain 2.08 times 10 to the power 25 atoms. Another example, how many moles are in 2.0 times 10 to the power 25 molecules of silver nitrate? Mole is equal to the number of particles over 6 times 10 to power 23. The number of particles of silver nitrate given is 2.0 times 10 to power 25 over 6 times 10 to the power 23. This gives 33.3 moles. So 2.0 times 10 to the power 25 molecules of silver nitrate has 33.3 moles. The last example. How many moles are present in 4.09 times 10 to the power 24 atoms of manganese? Mole is equal to the number of particles over 6 times 10 to the power 23. The number of manganese atoms given is 4.09 times 10 to power 24 over 6 times 10 to the power 23. This gives 6.82 moles, so 4.09 times 10 to the power 24 of manganese has 6.82 moles. To recap, a mole is a unit of particles. 1 mole of a substance contains 6 times 10 to the power 23 particles. The relationship between the mole of a substance and the number of particles is mole is equal to the number of particles over 6 times 10 to the power 23. 1 mole equals 6 times 10 to the power 23 particles, a bridge between the microscopic and the measurable. That's the heartbeat of every chemical equation. Now that you can convert between moles and particles, in the next video, we'll uncover how to convert moles to mass, the foundation of real-world chemical calculations. Stay tuned, stay curious.